Namaste, I am Namita Giripunje from Dada Saheb Balpande College of Diploma in Pharmacy, Besa, Nagpur. In this learning dialogue, I will discuss the topic from pharmaceutical chemistry 2. The topic name is sulfonamide. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the mechanism of sulfonamides. You will be able to identify the various therapeutic uses of sulfonamides. You will be able to draw the structure of sulfonamide derivative. Next, sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are synthetic chemotherapeutic agents. Drugs derived from sulfanilamide called as sulfonamide derivative. It prevents the multiplication of pathogenic bacteria and gives bacteriostatic action. Structure contains sulfanilamide derivative. These are also called as sulfa drugs. It acts by inhibiting the synthesis of folic acid. Next, classification of sulfonamides. Duration of action according to their duration of action. Short acting sulfonamides, duration of action 6 to 9 hours. Example, sulfadiazine, sulfacetamide and sulfadimidine. Intermediate acting sulfonamides, duration of action 10 to 12 hours. Example, sulfamethoxazole. Long acting sulfonamides, duration of action up to 7 days. Example, sulfadoxine, sulfamethoxypyrazine and sulfadimethoxine. Next classification according to their therapeutic uses, in which first class is systemic infection, in which subclass urinary tract infection. Example, sulfamethoxazole and sulfacetamide. In respiratory tract infection, example, clotrimazole and sulfadiazine. In meningeal infection, sulfonamides used, example, sulfadiazine. Next, sulfonamides used in local infection. First class, intestinal infection. Example of sulfonamides are sulfagonidine and ethyl sulfathiazole. Ophthalmic infection, example sulfacetamide. And in burn therapy, example is mifenide and silver sulfadiazine. Next, what is the mechanism of sulfonamides and how it works? This is the question for you. You can pause the video for 5 minutes and note down the answer in your copies. Next, mechanism of sulfonamides. PABA, para-amino-benzoic acid, is structurally similar to sulfonamides. That's why sulfonamide inhibit the process of PABA to folic acid. Means it inhibit the conversion of PABA to folic acid. In general process, PABA gets converted to dihydroteroic acid, and this dihydroteroic acid gets converted to dihydrofolic acid, and the conversion of dihydrofolic acid to tetrahydrofolic acid, and this tetrahydrofolic acid THFA is required for purine and pyrimidine synthesis, but due to deficiency of THFA lead to inhibition of DNA and RNA synthesis and inhibition of protein synthesis. That means sulfonamide inhibit the synthesis of folic acid. This folic acid is required for synthesis of protein or synthesis of cell. Next, in general, sulfonamides when administered, due to structural similarity with PABA, it removes the PABA from the site, prevent the synthesis of folic acid, and due to causes deficiency of folic acid, it gives bacteriostatic action. Next, structure of sulfanilamide. This is the structure of sulfanilamide, in which benzene ring is there. At first position, sulfonamido group is attached, SO2NH, R is a substituent. At fourth position of benzene ring, amino group is substituted. That's why the name is para-amino or 4-amino benzene sulfonamide. Next, structure of sulfadiazine derivative. This is the whole structure of sulfadiazine, in which R is equal to pyrimidine ring, and pyrimidine ring is a 6-membered ring having substitution of nitrogen at first and third position. The chemical name is 2-sulfanilamidopyrimidine. Next, sulfadiazine uses. It is used as a bacteriostatic agent. It is used as a meningitis. It is used in urinary tract infection. It is used in burn therapy, and it is used in toxoplasmosis. Official preparations of sulfadiazine are sulfadiazine tablets, sulfadiazine injection, trisulfapyrimidine tablets. Brand name Cotrizine, Atrina, and Trimozine. This is all about the sulfadiazine, monograph of sulfadiazine, then structure of sulfadiazine, sulfanilamide. Next, thank you. I am very much thankful for watching this video. For any query, any suggestion or any comment, you can contact me at my email ID or at my contact number. Thank you very much. Thank you.